Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. So friends, there is a good news that is related to the Accenture recruitment process. One of the most important point that so many candidates have doubt I solved only one coding question in the Accenture coding examination. So is there any selection or not? Okay. So one candidate sent me this, ब्रदर मेरा एक ही कोड रन हुआ था एसेंशियल एग्जाम में, बाकी कॉग्निटिव अच्छा गया था, मेरा इंटरव्यू भी हो चुका है, तो क्या कोई चांसेस है टास्क मेल आने के? देन आफ्टर सम डेज like yesterday he got the task mail from Accenture. So don't lose hope. Basically they are sending the mail to candidates if you solved one coding question also, how it's possible. Okay, so let's discuss all of the queries in this video. What about the 1st July 2023 interview results? If you are waiting from 1 month, is there any rejection? What about the phase wise results? So let's start the video. As you can see on my screen that yesterday I post one video on our channel that is related to Accenture interview results. If you not check this video, you can check, because in the video I mention all the important points. So basically candidate shared me this on Instagram, so I just mentioned that hello, chances is there. So okay, so he mentioned that okay, thank you brother. So like yesterday at 13:17 means on the 1 p.m. so basically he got the mail, brother I got task mail from Accenture, you have to make a detailed video how to create profile and upload all the documents correctly. Soon I will share one video with all of you that is related to task mail. Okay, so in the task mail we will see the complete process that is related to the updates. So basically I just ask like what about your interview date, task mail and role. So basically he mentioned that interview date in 28 July, task mail on 21st August and role is package dev development associate. Okay, so I ask one query like you applied for AAC role but in mail you got detail as a package dev development associate role. So yes, so basically many candidates applied for AAC role but in the mail they like Accenture team mentioned that this exam is related to the package dev development associate role. So I just mentioned that you help many candidates because candidates are asking that one coding question is sufficient for selection. So now I can share that you got mail means there is a hope. Yes. So basically don't lose hope, because if you solve the one coding question, there is also the chances of selection, because there are multiple parameters that is considered by Accenture team. Okay. Like coding question and interview performance is not a single parameter, there are multiple parameters if they are sending the selection mail to the candidates. And one of the most important point, the requirement is there. Okay, if the business requirement is high, definitely you will got the mail if you solve one coding question also. Okay, like it is the previous phase process. But what about the results? Like if you are waiting from 1 month and still you not receive result. Okay, look, your exam is good, your interview is good, I know you are waiting for interview results and 1 month is passed but there is no update. Okay, so one of the most important point, like many candidate raise the ticket on the Accenture portal. Okay, so if you wanted to check your interview status, you can raise the ticket. Okay, otherwise you have to wait for some days, because there is no other option to check the results. Only there is a raise ticket option and wait for some days. Okay, if there is a selection, so they will be share like we will be get back to you soon, or we will be share updates in some time. Otherwise there is a rejection mail. Okay, so you can raise the ticket if you want to check your interview status, otherwise you can wait for some days. This is the process. And one of the most important point all about process is there is a profile. Okay, all about your profile and candidature. If your profile and candidature is considered, definitely you will got the mail. So don't worry about that. In the next upcoming days, definitely you will got the mail, because they are sending the mail according to region wise, okay, and phases wise. All the results, like all top MNC exam, all top MNC follow this process, like they are they follow the phases process that is related to hiring. So the query is basically the query what I mentioned, that if you are waiting from 1 month, if you wanted to check your interview results, you can raise the ticket. Is there any rejection? If your overall performance is not good according to the Accenture team, so there is a rejection. And if you are rejected, so they are sending the rejection mail like your profile is not considered. One of the most important point, any any YouTuber or any content creator, and we all are providing the good videos that is related to important updates. But one of the most important point, results will only declared in the form of phases. Okay, if Accenture team is mentioned that like we have to send results to candidates and they are from phase 3 also or another phase also, so they will got the result first. Okay, if your performance is good, definitely you will got mail. But according to their timelines, if your profile is considered. I hope this video is useful for everyone, and don't lose hope. If you have any queries, let me know that in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.